Welcome to PDOTS Solutions. In this video, we will introduce the effortless way to export EML files into HTML format. Let's start by downloading PDOTS EML converter tool on your machines. Now, go to the Open tab. Software support many email client and file format, choose as per your requirement. First, go to the Open tab and select an EML Files option in the software panel. Pick the required EML folder containing useful information from the system and click on Select Folder. Wait, the software is analyzing the EML mailboxes. The tool lists all the EML mailboxes in the software interface. Now, tap on the Outlook email that preview you want to see in the software interface and get the view. This way you can preview the EML email message with all the properties and elements such as email properties, signature, sender information, and more. If that EML mail includes attachments, this tool allows you to open, save, and save all in one tap. So, choose as per the requirements. The Export tab gives you multiple options to save email message into standard formats. The Extract tab helps you to take out email addresses, attachments, phone number and more from the emails. Now, go back to Export option and select HTML to save emails in HTML file format. Then, mark the required folder and unmark the rest. Go to Browse option and pick a location to save the final results on the system. Now, let's understand the advanced functions of the tool one by one. The first is open folders after export is done. If you enable this feature, then the target folder where the output file is saved gets automatically opened after the conversion. The next one is to create empty folders. Please disable this option so that you can avoid creating empty folders. The other one is to delete old folders. If you want to delete previously converted data from the destination folder, then please enable this option. Next is an include email header. We recommend you to disable this option to remove headers from your output data to reduce output file size. Include properties. If you want to see the emails with their respective HTML properties, then enable the option. Finally, go the Save button and see the live conversion of emails into HTML file format. Once the task gets completed, you get a successful message. Click on the OK button and go to Open folder. Now, you will see the resultant folder. Click on it and see the emails in HTML files. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment box. To watch more videos, please subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.